Go finish work on your math. Or not. Okay. So here's our example. Jessica hiked 2/5 of a mile on a trail before she stopped to get a drink of water. After her drink, she hiked another 2/5 of a mile. How far did she hike in all? So we know that our line is broken down into fifths, okay? And so they drew it on the number line. So she walked 2/5 before she had a drink, then she stopped and had a drink, and then walked 2 more fifths. So 2 plus 2 is 4 fifths. Okay? So let's do some practice of our own. Ruth made 1 fruit smoothie. She drank 1/3 of it. What fraction of the smoothie is left? So it wants us to show our work and the equation. So what's our number line going to be broken down as? It's going to be broken into thirds. So let's draw our number line. Okay, so this is her whole fruit smoothie. She drank 1/3. So how much is left? 1. 2/3 is what's left. Okay, so that's what your number line would look like. And if we write it as an equation, we're going to start with 3/3, subtract 1/3, and we'll have 2/3 left. What did we do wrong here?
You went forward?
We went forward when we need to go backwards because we're subtracting. So let's fix this. Three-thirds is her whole smoothie. She drank 1/3 because we're subtracting to see what's left. So then we know she has 2/3 left. Okay. Remember, when you're subtracting, your arrows need to go back.
And if you're adding your arrows?
Yep, and if you're adding, your arrows go forward. What word told us that we needed to subtract?
Left.
Left, good. Keyword. Okay, let's go to number 17. Mr. Chang has a bunch of balloons. 3/10 of the balloons are red. 2/10 of the balloons are blue. What fraction of the balloons are neither red or blue? So when we draw our number line, what are we going to break it down into? Tenths, right? So let's draw our number line. And we're going to break it down into tenths. Five tenths is our halfway point. So we're going to start at 10/10. And how many humps or arrows back would I show for the 3/10 that are red? 3. So 1, 2, 3. This section is red. Now I'm going to do 2 more back to show the balloons that are blue. So then how many tenths are left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/10 are another color. I'll put other. Okay, so that's what our number line would look like. Griff, are you writing this down?
Yeah, I'm writing.
Okay. Let's write our equation. We're going to start with 10/10. We can subtract 3/10, and we could subtract 2/10 and find what we have left. Ten minus 3 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. So we have 5/10 left. Okay. When it asks you to show your work, guys, it's asking you to show the number line, okay? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready to do our last one, number 18. Okay. Emily ate 1/6 bag of carrots. Nick ate 2/6 of the bag of carrots. What fraction of the bag of carrots did Emily and Nick eat all together? Circle the correct answer. Well, let's figure it out ourselves first. Let's add what they both ate. So we're going to take 1/6 and 2/6, right? What would our answer be? 3/6. Okay. Is that all we have to do to get our answer? Yeah, because the question says, what fraction of the bag of carrots did Emily and Nick eat all together? So our answer is 3/6. C. Okay. Rob got D. What did he do, Christian?
He added up the denominator.
Ooh, when you're only supposed to add the numerator. Good. He added Good. He added the denominator when you're only supposed to add the numerator.